It's Sunny Beach Life, and we try and have our first night out of the season, but it goes horribly wrong. Anyway, then we head out for the opening night of Joker's Bar, and we introduce you to everybody who's involved in this amazing new bar. It's going to be fantastic for this summer. Susan, how's it going with bingo? First one of the year. What a great night we have here. And Dopper Den.
Dopper Den, everybody, on this fine Saturday afternoon.
Yeah, it's May and it's starting to warm up. You see on the magic board behind us, it's 24 degrees. So it actually feels totally different today. It's warming up, but the wind is still cool.
Oh yeah, it's lovely. I've been in my pool today.
Yeah, and we just bumped into one of the hotel owners just across the road here, and he's opening on the 25th. So obviously that not all the hotels are open at the moment.
Yeah.
But it's gradually building up. It's getting there.
Another week and most things will be open.
But the good thing is Flower Street is fully open today.
So we're going to have a look.
Yeah, we're going to stay in the apartment. Just dumped our bags. We're going to have a night out in Sunny Beach, the first of the season.
And maybe have a beer. Let's go have a beer.
Yeah, I can have a beer. I've got to drive home.
Come on then, down Flower Street. Oh, it's great to see so many people about, isn't it?
Yeah, feels different. A bit of sunshine, a bit of heat.
Yeah.
Oh, great, isn't it?
Oh, it's lovely.
So bright.
When you're up Flower Street, have a look at the information boards. You might see our Facebook page. We put all our updates on there, what we're doing, where we're going to be, what party nights we're putting on. So do follow us on Facebook, everybody.
Cup final.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it must be that time of the year, isn't it? Cup final.
Nitisni Butona. If you're enjoying the video, please give us a like. It helps spread the video out to more people so they can see what Sunny Beach is like. Thanks a lot.
Earlier than usual.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah. Oh, it's getting a bit breezy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You?
Oh,
good?
fine. Oh, good. Yes, yeah. It's nice to see the resort opening up again. So.
As you can hear behind me, we've got Jack's, which is open. I opened yesterday, and they've got the football on, blasting across Flower Street. And it's not only the bars are open today, it's also the little stalls have appeared as well. It's a different atmosphere. It's becoming busier every day. Obviously, we've still got nearly 2 weeks to go till it's full season, but it's getting there now. Feels a lot livelier. And of course, in May, the secret to this on a day like this is pick the bar or the restaurants in the sunshine. Because obviously in the shade, it's a lot cooler. Another month, it'll be the opposite way around. You'll be trying to find the bar or the restaurant in the shade, trying to avoid the sun because it's going to get so hot at the end of June. My God, it's really boiling. In August, it is absolutely steaming, very, very hot in the daytime. So it shifts. Again, in September, if you're late season, you'll find it goes back the other way. You're trying to find the bars with the sunshine, but of course then we get long shadows in September, so it's harder to get into the sun. But at the moment, the sun's very high up. Nearly everywhere is in the sun. It's fantastic.
Well, it's getting to that time of the year where people keep stopping us for a chat. We don't mind because we love to chat to you because we could chat to each other all day long, but we haven't got very far. Anyway, we have got to the beach now, and behind me you can see the Viking. They're getting their stage ready, so there must be a party going on in the Viking tonight. Oh. Well, it's a good job that we're on the sand because I nearly fell over this post. They've got all these posts set up now ready for the umbrellas. So the loungers and the brollies, they'll be out soon. We've been out a couple of hours now and the wind is beginning to get up a little bit, but it's still warm. So do be careful when you're here that sun is quite powerful. You can soon get a sunburn. Anyway, there's not many takers on the sun loungers and the bean bags at Palm Beach at the moment. Once it gets hotter, there will be.
And behind me is the jetty, and this last week they put the planking on, ready for the passengers to embark on the ferries at the far end, the lower section. Last week that was just steel. It's now got nice wooden decking on. It's going to be the end of May, beginning of June before they run the ferries on a frequent basis, because obviously there's just not the people here at the moment. Over the next 2 weeks, the resort will really start to build up and the crowds will be here again, enjoying the summer.
Well, we just stopped for half an hour for a beer at Beck's. And unfortunately, we've got rained off now because the heavens have opened up. So we're going home now to cuddle cats. Catch you later.
Now we're going to start the second part of this video, because obviously on Saturday, the first bit, it chucked down with rain and we went back to the apartment absolutely soaked. So we've come down this afternoon, it's now Monday, and we're in Joker's Bar, because it opens tonight. So we've just spoken to Stuart and Vasco. It's amazing. We're almost there. I mean, they've got obviously all the new lighting in, the sound system. It's a soft opening tonight, but the bingo will be on. Craig's going to be here doing his comedy act, and it feels so different now. They've spent hours and hours working on this. It does look absolutely brilliant. So if you're here on holiday, do come and try Joker's Bar, which was the old Piccadilly, of course. And Joker's is the old Piccadilly Bar opposite the Smart Line Meridian Hotel here. It's a well-known location.
Well, it's going to be great tonight, the opening night of Joker's. We wish Stuart and the team good luck for the season. Hope it's a success. And if you're staying at the Dunav, the Meridian, the Malibu, Babylon, or even the Trachea Gardens just down the way, come give Joker's a try. Support them. It's their first year here, and I'm hoping it's going to be brilliant. Well, it's an exciting night here in Sunny Beach. We're at Joker's on their opening evening with Stuart. If you've been to the Pomori Sun, you'll recognise Stuart from there. Stuart, how many seasons have you done in Sunny Beach now?
I've done about 15 seasons Sunny Beach so far, really. You know, I've worked in Sunny Beach, I've been up in Borivets and all that. And obviously, as everybody yourselves know, that last year, all the holidays were a bit knackered last year because of bulking holidays, you know.
Yeah, it was a tough year, wasn't it?
Oh, it was a terrible year for quite a few bars down this end of town, you know. So, and then we were informed, obviously, during the winter period there, that the Pomori was turning into an all-inclusive hotel, which meant the sports bar wasn't going to be there for this summer. So back in, around about January time, Vlad and Vasco, who had the pool bar, my partners here at the Joker's Bar, gave us a call and they asked me if I wanted to come in to business with them. And yeah, I jumped at the chance and the opportunity. So hopefully it'll be a good season, you know, for us and a few other bars as well, you know.
I think it'll be great for this area, so I think it'll be a bit of a revival, so hopefully you'll do well.
Yeah, I really hope so, you know, and as I said, we're going to grab this opportunity and hopefully it'll be a good season.
Yeah, and you've already got a few regulars in, so that'll be great.
We got a few regulars in for the bingo tonight. We get karaoke and we've got obviously a live act tonight. We got Craig Williams show tonight.
We love
as well.
Craig Williams.
Yeah, no, he's good crack. I know you love him. I know you love him, so you do. Yeah, so he's on tonight, and then we'll probably not have any more shows till about the start of June, probably. And that's when it all sort of kicks off this side of Sunny Beach, you know. Yeah. So yeah.
Oh, well, that'll be great. So if you're here in this area on your holidays, pop in and see Stuart, Vlas and Vesco for a great time at Joker's. Thank you very much, Stuart, and good luck.
Thank you very much, Susan, and Andrew as well. Thank you, guys. Cheers.
Thank you.
No worries.
Ciao, ciao.
7 and 5, 75. 6 and 3, 63. 5 and 4, it's 54.
And Susan was actually a winner. She got a full house.
It's 1-0, number 10. 2 and 9, 29. Everyone's waiting for the line yet? Yeah. Oh, a few people. 5 over, blinded 50. 3 and 6, 36.
And this area doesn't really get going till the very end of May, first week in June, where everything is open. So it's very quiet at the moment. As you can see, Joker's is basically the only bar open in the area at the moment.
And now we're talking to Vlado, who's also running this bar with Stuart and his friend Fesco, I believe.
Vasco, yes. Oh, I'm very happy. One door is closed, new door is open. I like this bar.
Oh, that's good. So we wish you luck, Vlad, for the 2026 season.
Yeah. I hope this season be better from last season. Many new friends coming.
Yes, well, once we advertise it, you'll get your regulars back and you'll get lots of customers, hopefully.
Yes, we have a lot of friends, and I hope we have a lot of new friends.
Oh, I hope so as well. So good luck for the season, and we shall come and see you very often.
Always welcome, and thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you.
Are you ready for a night of incredible entertainment? Now, get ready to make some noise and welcome from Benidorm, the man rumoured to be Sticky Vicky's love child, the man who used the Penny Arcade song, and the man whose act is only slightly longer than this introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the one, the only, Craig Williams!
Let's have a look around the room. Where's all the single people? Are you single? Any of you ladies single? Where's all the single men? Are you single, Vicky? I looked at the watch, the money's mine. Hey, what do you think of the new Jokers? Do you like it? Do you like it?
And what a great night that was at Jokers.
Oh, it's been absolutely brilliant. Our first night out this season, not to be missed. Come on, Craig, get in, Craig.
Hello, everybody.
Yeah, come to Jokers on your holiday.
We've had a brilliant night in the Orient of Jokers night with Andrew and Susan. It's a brilliant night, had a brilliant show. Thank you everybody much.
This is what he does. He hogs the stage and the camera all the time. Anyway, he's still quite a good act.
Camera. Ciao, everybody.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao for now. Come and see Craig at Jokers.
Yeah, do pop in. So anyway, we're off home now, back to our apartment. So, ciao, ciao for now. See you again
Ciao,
later.
everybody.
Now it's in the last couple of weeks, building up to the full main season. So please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos through the whole of the summer of 2026. Thanks a lot.